My parents say education now and education in the past is very different, and that education in the past is very difficult to understand.
All right, it's very
Yeah,
difficult.
and then I
Okay.
want to study in London.
Study in
Yeah,
London.
London.
Wow.
That's my dream.
Wow, that's Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so here I am Evanur Fauzia as the English tutor in ME and MTS Asanabil. And then here my students. Hello sister.
Hi.
Alright, we will do the podcast guys. But by the way, before we do the podcast, let them know about yourself first.
Okay, before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Princess Kiran Serafim.
Alright.
You can call me Kiran, and I'm 14 years old. And then I'm from Bandung, and I'm ninth grade.
Okay, you
Yeah.
are from Bandung and you are ninth grade.
Yeah.
If you are ninth grade, it means this is the last class for you. All
Yeah.
right. Okay. So before that, Sister Kiran, what is your opinion about the education nowadays and in the past?
Okay, if Miss look like education now and education in the past is very different.
Uh-huh.
My parents say education now and education in the past is very different, and that education in the past is very difficult to understand.
All right. It's very difficult to understand.
Yeah.
Why?
Because the teacher so strict.
Because the teacher is so strict.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. And then what about the education nowadays?
And in my opinion, education now is very easily to understand because the teacher teach what the student like.
Okay, the teacher teach what the student like.
Yeah.
It means the teacher can adapt.
Yeah.
Okay, the teacher can adapt what the students likes.
Yeah.
I see, I see. Okay, as I know, I got that information that you are one of the best student in the junior high school ya. Oh,
Yeah.
alhamdulillah, masya Allah
Alhamdulillah, Masya
juga.
Allah.
Okay, then sister, how could you manage your time between tahfidz time and then the other subject?
At home, at 6 p.m. I will be do pray Maghrib
Alright.
and then memorize Quran.
Okay.
After memorize Quran, I will be read Quran Hadis.
You will read Quran Hadis.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
After that, I will Isa prayer, and then I will be learn study.
The other subjects.
Yeah, the other subject.
Okay. What about after subuh? Do you have a special time after subuh?
I
for
will
study?
be memorize Hadis.
You will memorize hadis
Yeah.
again. Masya Allah, guys. This is one of our student. She lives balance ya between world
Yeah.
and between world and her heart. Okay, it will be holy. Masya Allah. Okay,
Masya
okay, okay. I know. So, I think that your time it will be so strict,
Yeah.
right? And then, do you need a refreshing, by the way, because you learn between Al Quran, Hadith, and the other subject for a whole day, right?
Yeah.
So, I guess that you need a refreshing also.
Yeah, I need, of course. So afraid. Yeah.
Okay.
Before I need refreshing before the class start. I will talking with my friend about anything,
All right.
and then playing game with my friend, with my teacher, everyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about in the middle of the class? Do you need the other refreshing again in the middle of the class?
Talking with my friends.
So, all right. Don't you have a mm, ice breaking
Yeah.
from your teacher too?
Every day I go ice breaking with my teacher.
Okay, all right. So between in the beginning of the class and
Yeah.
in the middle of the class, you
Yeah.
will do that, yeah? All right. Your teacher it must be so smart, yeah?
Yeah, of
Because
course.
they can manage your time, and they can give you the refreshing also. Wow,
Yeah.
that's amazing. All
Yeah.
right. For the next question, sister.
Mm-hmm.
By the way, because I know it's not only Al-Quran and Hadith, and you also the student of the other subjects.
Yeah.
What is your favorite subjects before?
I like math and I like English.
You like math and English.
Yeah.
Wow, that must be good. Okay, why? Why must be English and math?
Because I like counting. Yeah, and then I
Okay.
want to study in London.
Study in
Yeah,
London.
London. That's
Wow.
my dream.
Wow, that's your dream. Study in London. Okay, guys, that's not only Al-Quran, not only Hadith, but also the other subjects too, ya.
Yeah.
Especially study in London.
Yeah. So
Alright.
hard.
Wah, amin ya.
Yeah,
Amin.
amin, amin.
I wish your hope will be true. Amin,
Amin,
amin.
amin.
Okay. So because you like because English and math, so you want to go to London.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So by the way, do you ever get bad score in your life?
Yeah.
Yeah. All
Yeah.
right. And then how do you feel?
I will be disappointed myself
Of course, of
and
course.
then
Then
will be sad.
will be sad, will be disappointed yourself. All right.
Yeah.
Then, by the way, how could you motivate yourself again for increasing your skill?
Mm, I have motivated by Ustadz Hanan Ataki.
All right. What
He
is that?
say we have to improving to ourselves to be better version every day.
Wow, it's so smooth. It's here. It sounds like calming myself.
Yeah.
Okay. So it means your best motivator is Ustadz Hanan Ataki, ya?
Yeah.
Do you have why? Do you have a reason why do you like him so much?
Because who has his motive vibe is so makes sense with our Gen Z.
Okay. Oh yeah, I know that
Yeah.
because he can adapt his advice
Yeah.
with our generation now, yeah,
Yeah,
especially
yeah.
Gen Z. I see, I see. I like him so much also actually.
Yeah.
Because of that, he can um he can attract the other people's for for what is that? For doing good activity,
Yeah.
but without any judgment, right? That's so
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
All right. Okay, sister. And okay, guys, maybe enough for our podcast today. And next, we will do the podcast again with the other students. Of course, it will be more amazing, will be more durable too. So wait for the other tutors again. And thank you, sister, for
Yeah,
your
you're
time.
welcome.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.